Hello, welcome to MoreApp. My name is Pleun and in this video I will explain you how to use our app. With MoreApp you can digitalize all your daily tasks and improve collaboration with your team. Remember, the app is available in the App Store, Google Play Store, and you can also use our web app version. Let's get started. First, to access the app, you need to log in by entering your user email and password. Once inside, you will see the folders and forms you have access to. If you have permission to access multiple accounts, you can switch between them easily by clicking the drop-down menu at the top left. There, you can select a workspace where you want to start filling out your forms. At the bottom of the app, you can find different tabs: Forms, Tasks, Drafts and Send. In Forms, you can view all the folders and forms you have access to. Open any folder and choose the form you want to work on. In this example, we will select the form Work Order. Once inside, you can easily fill in all the fields. After adding part of the information, you have several options. Send the form directly by clicking Send Form, or if you want to continue filling it out later, choose Save and Close in the top left corner. You can also find both options in the top right corner by clicking Options, where you can also choose to delete the form if needed. If you decide to continue later and select Save and Close, the form will move to the Drafts tab. In the Drafts tab, you will find all forms that were saved to be completed later. If you click on the three dots, you can view more details about the draft or choose to delete it. If you want to delete more than one draft at a time, click the pencil icon and select the drafts you want to remove. To continue working on your forms, select the one you want to edit. In this case, we will continue with the work order form. One of the great advantages of our synchronization is that you can start a form on your phone and continue later on your computer. Once all the missing fields are completed, this time we will choose Send Form. This means the form will be sent to the recipients and will move to the Send tab. In the Send tab, you will find all the forms sent from any of your devices. Click the Information button to view the details of each form, such as the serial number, among others. You can also open the form to review the completed information. By clicking Options in the top right corner, you can also duplicate the submission. In the Tasks tab, you will find all your tasks. Remember, a task is a form assigned to you by another user to be completed. Select the task you want to work on, and if you want to finish it later, click Save and Close. Unlike forms, the draft on your task will be visible under Tasks, not in the drafts. In this case, you will see that there is one in progress. Want to quickly find a form, a task or a draft? With the search icon at the top right, you can easily locate them. To do so, click on the search icon, type the name of an existing form, select the type of the item, and click the cross when you are done. Another option is Settings, found in the icon at the top right. Here you can view more information about your user account. You can update your first and last name, change your password, change the app language, request support and find useful information such as help center tutorials or your customer number, and log out. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content, and visit the Help Center for more tips and tricks. Enjoy using our app.